Welcome to Bill's Bridge Corner, Friday, October 11th, 2013, hand number 2. Count it out. In this hand, there are two sets of challenges. The bidding itself is a challenge, and although you and your partner may not have an understanding or a pinned down understanding of how to handle this particular sequence, I would suggest to you to discuss it with your partner, and I offer a possible solution in the bidding. The play of the hand as declare is a challenge in the sense that you need to count. We've had several classes on counting, and if you don't count, you'll never win this hand. Here we go.
Your hand. You are south. The dealer is you. North, south, or your side is vulnerable. You got a pretty good looking hand. As usual, I'm going to try to ask a series of questions, give you time to answer, go and answer them, and go on as we go through first the bidding and then the play. Here we go. Questions. Evaluate your hand using Bergen's evaluations. What do you get? Write these answers down before you go to the next screen. And number 2, how many quick tricks do you have? And number 3, how many losers do you have? And based upon those answers of 1, 2, and 3, what is your opening bid? Write it down before you go to the next screen. Got the answers? Here they go. Here we go. Question number 1. You have 18 high card points. You add 1 point for just 3 because you got 3 aces and no queens or jacks. You have 2 5-card suit. Each of those is worth 1 point. You have 21 starting points. You'll probably get more if your partner once you find a fit, but that's what you have already. Question number 2. Quick tricks 5. Ace king, ace, ace. Question number 3. You have 4 losers. 2 spades, 1 heart, 1 diamond, no clubs. Based on that, you have more than enough to open 2 clubs. How'd you do? The bidding on this hand has only begun. You open 2 clubs, but left-hand opponent jumps in with 3 clubs. You look at his convention card and it's a natural bid. Must have clubs. You don't have them, not surprising. Now another surprise. Partner bids 4 clubs. Now, I don't know if you and your partner have an understanding of what this bid means. I will give you a suggestion in this class, but you should compare it with partner. And I'll give you my answer. Yours may be different. That's fine, as long as you and partner understand. Questions. What is the meaning of partner's bid? Write all these answers down before you go to the next screen. And your answer and mine might be different. At least I hope your answer is consistent. Have you discussed this with your partner? If you haven't, good time to try. What might each of the other possible bids mean by partner? What would a double mean if he doubled 3 clubs? What would a pass mean if he passed 3 clubs? What would 3 no trump mean if he bid it? And lastly, what if he bids a new suit? What does that bid mean? I give you a chance to think about it before you go to the next screen. Write it down. Here we go. These are my answers. They may not be yours, and that's all right as long as you and partner understand and in agreement. Don't worry if you miss it, but do discuss it with partner next time. A Q bid shows a positive response without a good 5-card suit. What would the other bids mean? A double is penalty. A pass is negative. 3 no trump is to play. It implies no stopper, a stopper, but not much else. And a suit bid is a positive response showing a good 5-card suit. Those are my answers. They may not be yours, but decide with your partner. Here's your hand. Here's the bidding so far. Your partner bid 4 clubs. He's passed, and now it's your turn to bid. Some questions. What are your prospects for slam? Based on what I told you 4 clubs mean. And 2, What is your bid? Good luck. And based upon what you bid, give me a reason why you bid what you bid. Your thinking regarding it. I'll be the first to tell you that this is not an easy hand to bid. But anyway, this is my thoughts. Answers. All partner needs is a couple of major suit owners, and he has made a positive response. So I think the chances for a slam are excellent. He probably doesn't have club. He didn't make a penalty double. He made a positive response. I'm going to bid 5 clubs, and I take that as a takeout. Partner, bid your best suit. Now, I do that hoping that he'll bid a major suit, but it's possible he might pick diamonds. And if partner does bid 5 diamonds, I'll correct to 5 hearts, and he'll know he can pick another suitor. Probably diamonds is all right, too, if they're really good. But that's my thinking about it. There's no guarantees. You could bid 4 no trump, which is a takeout, but to me 5 clubs is more of a 5 clubs emphasizes the majors more than 4 no trump would. 4 no trump would be more a takeout for diamonds and another suit. To bidding so far, and my partner, in response to my 5 club bid, bids not 5 spades but 6 spades. What's going on here? Well, if he can bid 6 spades, I can bid 7. I'm going to pray the partner can make it. Well, now my partner gets up and excuses himself from the table and he leaves, so I guess I'm going to have to play it. I'm going to switch hands and play north. Someone else will turn a card for south. Good luck, partner. Come back sometime. I'm on 7 spades playing north.
Well, here's the hand you've taken over for your partner who is rather disgusted with you. Prove that he's wrong. Make this contract. We'll see how tomorrow.